This is a problem where we're going to take something that has been written in English, we're going to turn it into an inequality, and then we're going to solve the inequality. And of course, whenever we do this, our first step is to define the variable. So let's go ahead and read the sentence. It says 3 minus 11 times a number is more than 21 minus 5 times the number. So our variable is going to be the number, and I see that written twice. It says a number, and then later it says the number. And the problem says let n be the number. So that's going to be our variable. N is going to be the number. So that is the define the variable part. N is going to be the number. Okay, so 3 minus 11 times a number. So let's start with the 3 minus. That seems pretty easy. 3 minus, and then it's 11 times a number. So 11 times, and then our number, which is going to be n. Okay, then we've got is more than, so is more than, and then 21 minus, so 21 minus, and then here's some more multiplication. 5 times the number. 5 times the number. So here's our inequality that we've got, and I'm going to rewrite it so it's all in the same color. 3 minus, and then 11 times n, we don't really need the multiplication symbol. It's greater than 21 minus 5n, just like so. Okay, so our goal here is to get the n's on one side and the numbers on the other. We can do this in any order we like. I typically like to start with getting the n's, or the variable, on the same side. So that's what I'm going to do here. We don't have to do it like that. It's just my preferred method. I'm going to add 5n to both sides. You could add 11n to both sides. That would be fine too. I'm adding 5n because I want to get the variable on the left side. This is going to create a negative variable for me, which means I'll have to flip the inequality at some point. But if I added 11 on both sides, I would have to flip it anyway because I'd end up with the n on the right side instead of the left side. So I'd have to flip it either way. Might as well do what we're comfortable with and have the variable on the left side. So now we'll go ahead and get the constants on the correct side. Correct, on the right side. I guess I shouldn't say correct, it doesn't matter. Okay, and now our last step is going to be divide by that coefficient of -6 using the division property. Divide by -6, divide by -6. As predicted, we are dividing by a negative, which means our inequality symbol will flip from a greater than to a less than, and 18 divided by -6 is a -3. So our solution is that n is less than or equal to -3.